Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two desktop remote platform, which is Splashtop and ISL Online. Splashtop is known for its fast performance and easy of use, making it a top choice for individual and businesses that need a smooth remote access with 4K streaming and a strong mobile support. It's great for IT support teams, remote workers, and people needing high quality stream or screen sharing. While ISL Online, on the other hand, focus more on security, flexibility, offering a cloud and on-premise option. It's preferred by a managed service provider, which is MPS, and a business that need more control and customization, especially in regulated industries. And here's the overall conclusion. So you can just opt in for Splashtop if you want a simple, fast, and user-friendly remote desktop tools, or probably go with ISL Online for if you need a more security, custom features, and reliable deployment. Both are solid, but the right pick depend on your specific business need. And that's it.